Okay, here are 4 Lennox Elite, I think, central air conditioning units at a commercial place in Iowa City, Iowa. Here's this unit. This is a 5-ton from 2003. And then here's this one, which is running. This one's also a 5-ton from 2003. And these ones are also from 2003 and are 5 tons. A little bit rattly unit, but seems like it's working okay. And I believe these all have Copeland scroll compressors. But yeah, that one's the only one running. But yeah, just trying to get a quick video of these 4 units. Anyways, thanks for watching.